This is a review of the VIRAN Smart Watch for men. This is a 1.43-inch screen size. It's a fitness watch for all of your sport activities that you use. You could pretty much check your heart rate, your blood pressure. You could pretty much check for a lot of things. The weather app, it has everything, and this is both compatible for iPhone and Android. And we're gonna unbox this and set it up and show you guys what is inside the package and whether or not if this smartwatch is worth it. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get out from this package. Okay, so I have the package pulled out, and this is what you get right here. You see the LED screen right here. Like I mentioned, 1.43-inch screen size. Then we get the USB to pretty much charge it up. And one of the things I love about the smartwatch is that you have two different wristbands, and this is an orange. The other one is in a black finish. So you have two of them, so if you ever get bored into wearing one, you can switch it out and put the other one on, which is the cool. I love how it comes with both of them, so you can have it in black and orange. But now we're gonna go pretty much, I'm gonna choose which color I prefer, and we're gonna go set this up and see how well this works and whether or not if this is the best smartwatch. So another thing I forgot to mention is that this smartwatch is waterproof, so it protects it for its water resistance. So if water falls, it is IP68 waterproof. And it is a long lasting, the battery lifespan is also it's a lot of lifespan. And it pretty much it's the strap itself right here. You can see here that it's adjustable, so you can adjust it to however you want it. It has a lot of different holes that you can fit in, so it'll definitely fit your wrist, so you don't have to worry about that. And it also has the strap right here too that pretty much you hook it on, and then it comes with the black one like I mentioned, and pretty much this is the screen protector right there. But yeah, that is one of the things I forgot to mention is that this is waterproof, and you don't have to worry about water getting inside the smartwatch because it is waterproof. So we pretty much have it on and activated right here. So when I click this button right here, you can see the interface, and this is a tag right here. It's the screen protector, which I'll take off afterwards. But right over here, we see the interface. So you can see the time, the date, the exact time it is. And you can also change this interface yourself too. That's optional as well too. And then right from here, we have different sets of functions that it mentions that it has 120 different functions and also different sport modes. So you could choose from, depending if you go to the gym or pretty much walk, exercise, you have 120 different options as well too. Let's get this a little bit much closer right here. So when I hit this dial right here, you should see the clock screen is right over here. Then right from here, we get the weather. So you could check the weather right here. It pretty much mentions and tells you the weather. And then right over here, if we hit this button right here again, then from right here, we could go back out of the screen. You could check your blood pressure as well too. So your BP, your blood pressure. And then right here, it tells your BPM right there that you see right there, yeah. And then from here, we get also a phone call. So if you own Android, you could pair your phone to pretty much use this as a Bluetooth to pretty much call. It has the option as well too. So there's a lot of functions and options that this thing offers. And then we also have a camera mode. Then we also have a music mode as well too. So when I hit the music mode, you could also, if you own an Android, this could probably work out, but I'm not sure about exactly on the iPhone. But right over here, we also get a calculator mode as well too. So if there's any calculations you have to do, that's one of the huge pluses right there. It comes with that. So any calculations or math, then you have that as well too on your smartwatch. Then from right here, we also get a phone call. I mentioned that too. We get a sleep mode right there. So you have a sleep mode. It monitors the amount of sleep. So it has that function and that, which is pretty cool and neat. And then from right here, so it offers a lot of stuff, and this is very good for health. Like if you care about your health, it does that as well too. So for exercise, sports, like I mentioned, 120 different effects, the different modes and effects that it has. And you can also change the font as well too. I think that this is one of the most cool smartwatches because it offers a lot of stuff and 120 different effects, and it monitors your blood pressure, it monitors your pretty much your sleep habits, it monitors pretty much it's a good healthcare smartwatch to have, and also gives you the weather notifications. It does pretty much a lot of stuff that a smartwatch offers. I would definitely recommend this smartwatch from VIRAN Smart Watches because of how it offers a lot of stuff, 120 different modes. It has two different sets of wristbands, so you could option for black or you could have orange. You could change the interface on the screen as well too, and it pretty much does everything like what a smartwatch is intended. So I would definitely recommend this smartwatch. If you're looking for a new smartwatch, then this smartwatch is probably one of the best ones you could get, and I would definitely recommend this.